good news tonight and mostly relief, frankly, for Mumbaikars, in fact, for all of Maharashtra, as timings for shops and restaurants have been extended as well in Maharashtra. The decision came after the COVID task force had a meeting today with the Chief Minister. And Saurabh, also just a day after we saw no deaths being reported in Mumbai for the first time since the pandemic. That's expected to bring some cheer. How are people responding to this?
Well, it's definitely a milestone. Mumbai was always going to be the most difficult city when it came to tackling the pandemic. And for the government, it believes that now the worst is probably behind us, with vaccinations really going well in the city. They believe that it's time to now look at rebuilding the economy. And one of the worst sufferers in the pandemic have been restaurants, because they've been subjected to closures or restricted timings. Now, right now, a place like this, which is almost, at about 30% capacity in terms of crowds, will shut by 10. So the scope for business would be limited. Now, I have with me the person who runs this restaurant. Ma'am, I'd like to ask you, when the government decides to increase timings, which they've decided, it'll be known in a day or two, how does it help your business?
So, like the hospitality industry, as we all know, has suffered a lot of losses. We employ a lot of people. So, to make up for the loss, it will be important to extend the timings. And people usually don't step out of the house for dinner, until 9:30. So, we've been having customers who come at 10 and 10:15 and 10:30, and we have to, ask them to leave because we are shut at that time. So it will definitely help us to, make up the loss,
right,
and, to employ also more people and, up our business. Yeah.
So that's perhaps the sentiment at restaurants, and that's perhaps how you will see people reacting when these relaxations and the nature of these relaxations, at least the timings of extension, are announced.
All right, and a key thing to remember here, in fact, not to forget, is that even with these numbers, you've got to wear your mask, you've got to get yourself jabbed if you haven't already, and maintain as much precautions if you want these relaxations to continue and if you want these trends to continue on the positive note. Thanks, Saurabh, for joining us with the very latest on that.